Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from Hunky Dory Crafts, I've got this collection. It's the Deco Wonder collection. It includes a fantastic card kit, which I'll go through in a moment, coordinating card die, and also a beautiful sort of a stained glass die that's just gorgeous. So let me first show you what's in this wonderful card kit. It's deco art inspired, so from the 1920s, really amazing, beautiful colors. The fashions are gorgeous. Also has this really wonderful idea sheet. Hunky Dory is always great about doing that. They give you lots of ideas. So you get 2 of each sheet, and I've got this written down here. You get 108 foiled die cuts, and let's see, 8 of each sheet. So let's take a look at this. Well, it must be 8 different sets. So you get 2 each. These, I love. Their die cuts are just gorgeous with all the foiling on them, and they have all different colors. You get 2 of each, so you don't have to make a decision about which one you're going to save for a special occasion. Okay, I'm just going to turn this over. There we go. Oh, I love the pink and the borders, 2 of those. And look at this celestial, like the night sky with the moon and the stars. Love that. And all the windows. And here's this woman with this beautiful dress with this gold foil bird pattern on it and the butterflies. I love that. Oh, and the hat boxes. Gorgeous fan. And look at this beautiful umbrella. Gorgeous. Okay, so that's what you're going to be getting inside of this kit. And let me show you this gorgeous card my friend Debbie made using this kit. Gorgeous. She did some really wonderful scoring here. So she took one of these sheets, and she did some scoring, and then she did some cutting away of this woman with the fan. Let me see, we just saw this, didn't we? Here we go. So it's from this sheet. All right, let me put this right on the top. So she did some cutting here, and then she did her score lines here, 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 and here. And then she outlined these with some gold dazzle stickers, and used an element from the cutting die on top. And then she used her handy X-Acto knife, pen knife, and did some cutting away right here. I thought was fabulous. And then so you can shut it like this, and then glued in one of the panels, die cut panels from the kit, so that it covers up the interior, which I thought was really clever, so that when you're opening it, that's sort of a little surprise. That is a great card, Debbie. All right, so let's take a look at what we can do with one of this cutting die. This one is called the Deco Delights, rather. Look at this gorgeous card that Debbie made. So beautiful. And this is what the cutting die looks like. It's got 2 pieces. So both of the pieces put together, cut this out. And then what she did was she took these fabulous papers here. These are Jewel Sparkle sheets from Paper Wishes. And she went ahead and just did not use the outer cutting piece, but she just went ahead and put this plate on, ran it through, and the die cut everything like this. And then she sort of these are self-adhesive sheets. They're the same sheets that they make dazzle stickers from. So she just took her little pieces and took them out with her knife. If I can grab a piece here, just like this, hold one of those off, and then just laid her pieces down like this, which I think is just great. Let's see, this one goes right up here. All right, so if you wanted to fill in more areas, that's how you would do that. So really a fun thing, and look how many cards you can make out of cutting them from just these 4 sheets. you could fill in different areas for different sets. You could have a whole set of cards just by cutting them from one sheet and using different areas. So I think that's wonderful. Right. So let's take a look at this other cutting die. Here we go. This one is called Deco Dreams Card. All right. And the main mechanism in this one goes just like this. This is this cutting die. And this is what this wonderful die makes. It makes this gorgeous card. Isn't that fantastic? And this is just out of pastel cardstock and also white and black. And then I just added some white jewel border dazzles along the top and bottom. And let me show you how this die works. It's so easy to do. So first I just cut this from pink pastel cardstock, this. And then all these score lines are already done for you. And then you just have to do a little bit of folding on the score lines. So I just went like this, and then using a bone folder is nice to crease that. So you go that way, and you go that way, and then you're gonna fold it back this way, and you're also gonna fold it this way. So let's try that again. So you're folding the X's towards you for valley folds, like that. And then you're going to turn it and fold a mountain fold there and a mountain fold there. And that's all there is to that. And then you get this fabulous sort of diamond on the front. So that comes from this piece right here. And that went right here. I cut mine out of black and then white on the inside. And what I found to make these adhere, just make it go so much easier, I used some sticky specs. And if you haven't seen sticky specs and you love using cutting dies, they're really a must-have. So each sheet of sticky specs is covered with like thousands of little tiny micro dots of adhesive. So you just put this right on here like this. I like to do half at a time. Like this. And then you do the other end. And one sheet just lasts a long time, which I love. I've been using this sheet for about a week now. All right, and then it's got adhesive dots all over the back. You just place it right like that. And all the little pieces are already glued down for you. You just made a sticker out of your cutting die. So that's just wonderful. So let me show you how this base is made, okay? So I die cut 2 of the bases and folded them, all right? But then I wanted to get this nice panel right here, okay? So I cut out a piece. And this could be much wider if you'd like, as long as the width is the same width as these panels right here. It could be much wider in this direction horizontally. All right, so you're just going to glue that down. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on each side. Just got to use my paper clip to open this up a little bit. There we go. All right. And then I also like to put some right here just to make sure I'm connecting with everything. And you're just putting this panel along, aligning it with the fold on the left and the right. So there's a little overlapping going on underneath. Okay, you see that? You're going to get a little bit of an overlap there. Okay, there you go. Just as easy as can be. All right, so let's take a look at the same die. Here's one that Debbie did using the card topper kit. And where did I put my, oh, here it is. So she just did the same thing on this one, the same overlap on the back, but she did one panel here and one panel here, and then she overlapped them and then did these wonderful elements right here and these corner pieces here, and she cut those out of metallic gold paper that you can get at paperwishes.com, and then you can use your sticky specs to adhere those, and you've got this fabulous card. And as you can see, these are folded just slightly different than this one, so that these rather diamond shapes are going towards the back of the card. So you get just how you fold them can make a big difference. All right, so let's make another card together using our kit. So I'm going to make a card using this sheet from the kit as well as this sheet. And when I was looking at this, I just loved this little scene of two friends together. But first I needed to get my gatefold ready on my card, rather not my gatefold, my easel card ready. So I started out with just a blank white card, open it up, then you're folding the top down to the center, okay, to get this sort of easel look right here. All right, and then I cut out from this piece, I cut this two right here. So I cut a piece here and a piece here from this background, and I'm going to use both of those. And this piece I'm just gluing to the card front, and I want to make sure that I only get glue right up here along the top fold. I don't want to go any farther than that because I want to leave the top of the card free to just move. Okay, so we're only gluing the bottom part of this cardstock to the card bottom. All right. And then, so I cut out these two pieces right here, and I removed this gold frame piece, which I have right here. So we've got all three pieces, and we're going to use all of these. So on the first portion, we're going to glue the frame. Oops, I forgot to do this part. This part's very important. I cut out some green paper that I'm going to glue on the back. I almost forgot about that. And I just cut this rather sloppily from the bottom corner of another piece. Okay, and I did that because I want to just add a little more color to my background. Okay, and then I've got some foam tape that I'm going to put on the back this piece, but it gives a little pop up there. And then I've got some gold jewel dazzle stickers. I'm going to take at least one of these and just put that on the right side. I'm just going to trim away my excess. All right, now we're going to deal with what's on the inside here. So taking the bottom portion, I think we're going to do it like this. So this is going to be, not only is it decorating the inside, but we're also creating the little prop up piece that allows the easel to open and stand by itself. Okay, so that's going to be there. And where did I put, here we go, here's my little gold piece. This was the inner frame. And you can use sticky specs as well on any of these if you don't want to use glue. All right, so I just glued that to the right side. So I've got my main portion on my card front on the left, then I wanted to put it embellishment on the inside on the right. Okay. Another piece of foam tape, put that on the back, and then that's going to go right here. And this acts as just sort of a little stopper or a little prop for the inside of the card. And it's got to have that foam tape on it to give it that lift. And then I forgot, we have a little circle die cut with little foam tape on the back, and that's going to go over that dazzle right there. There we go. So everything we need to make a cute little easel card that's a nice little display. When people get it, I like easel cards because I feel like when people get these, there's no explanation needed. When they open it, it's just automatically doing that. And they're like, oh, I can just leave it open like that. So that's very easy. So you've seen everything that you can do with this wonderful collection. I'm gonna pull all these bits together again. So we have a wonderful money saver. And if you're reading us on if you're watching us via our blog page, our vlog page rather, it is highlighted just below this video. So click on the money saver and it'll take you to the money saver page. You see the great deal we have on this collection. And if you're watching us on YouTube, the link is in the description below, as well as links to paperwishes.com, where you can see all kinds of great products and goodies and lots more videos. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next week.